Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hover shoes that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Segway Drift W1 hover shoes. While Segway's plans to make cars obsolete never came to pass, much to the dismay of their original investors, they nonetheless retained several important patents related to self-balancing technology. After being sold to the Chinese company Ninebot in 2015, the new owners looked for ways to leverage those various patents, and the Drift W1 is their most successful venture to date. The Drift W1 is sleek and powerful with top speeds of 12 miles per hour and a weight limit of 220 pounds. That puts these particular hover shoes squarely in the adult category. Each shoe weighs a fairly substantial 7.7 pounds and features a non-slip platform on which to stand. There's no way to strap yourself in, which is probably a good thing since doing so could make it difficult to control your fall in the event of a wipeout. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Razer Turbojet's electric heel wheels. The final item on our list of best hover shoes are the Turbojet electric heel wheels from Razer. Although they're a modestly sized company, Razer may have the greatest brand recognition in the personal e-craft industry. Simply because so many people are familiar with their dozens of different electric scooters for kids and adults. But name recognition doesn't always translate to market share, and that's particularly true in the relatively new niche of hover shoes, where koowheel currently rules the sales roost. That said, there is another obvious reason why the Razer Turbojets haven't exactly dominated hover shoe sales: they're ugly. Now that's not an indictment of their performance, which for the price is outstanding. But when people buy a product like this, most of them want to look cool riding it. That's just not going to happen with the Turbojet's heel wheels. They have an awkward, unbalanced look with only one shoe being motorized, and there is no platform to speak of onto which you place your feet. Instead, you slide your heel into a slot and secure it via a nylon strap with your forefoot protruding out the front unguarded. At number 3, we have the Jetson Motokicks electric self-balancing hover shoes. It doesn't matter which hover shoes you buy, there's a steep learning curve if you want to master them. Having said that, the Jetson Motokicks is probably the most intuitive hover shoes that aren't made in the Segway factory. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative to the Segway Drift W1 hover shoes, this is the product you should go for. After a couple of hours of practice, you should be able to fly around on these effortlessly. People will think you're roller skating until they take a close look. The powerful 250-watt hub motor can power the hover shoes to 7 miles per hour, which doesn't sound like much, but it feels super fast on these. It has a 29.4 volts, 1.9 Ah lithium-ion battery that lasts for up to 3 hours. That means you could travel over 20 miles at top speed. At number 2, we have the Razer Turbojets. While assuredly the runt of the litter, the Razer Turbojets are the best option to get you into the hover shoe game without having to shell out a few $100s. Razer's take on hover shoes are different than the big boy options in that they don't self-balance like hover shoes and hoverboards do. Instead, the rear of the Turbojets features a self-propelled wheel that will thrust you forward at up to 10 mph. Only one wheel comes in the package, so you'll have to choose which foot you'll place it on. A pressure-sensitive throttle allows you to set a comfortable pace, so it's sure to provide fun for the recommended age group of 9 and up. LED lights are built in to give the set some flash too. And the included 12-volt charger will have you juiced back up and out on the pavement for another session. And finally, at number 1, we have the koowheel hover shoes. These koowheel hover shoes are one of the more impressive sets available. With their 250-watt batteries, you'll be rolling around at about 7.5 miles per hour for 6 miles before needing a recharge. And those recharges are relatively quick, taking just 2 hours to replenish your power. The body of the koowheel hover shoes is comprised of metal to give it a durability that helps to resist dings and dents. There are LED lights built in as well to give it some aesthetic flair. They can hold quite a bit of weight with a max load of around 280 pounds. They're super easy to transport thanks to the built-in carrying strap. And a 1-year limited warranty on parts and labor is included so that you feel comfortable dropping your hard-earned cash.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.